Investing in large-cap mutual funds in the USA can provide exposure to well-established, financially stable companies with a proven track record. These funds typically invest in companies with a market capitalization of over $10 billion. Here's how you can invest. Choose a brokerage or investment platform. Select a brokerage account that allows access to US mutual funds. Popular platforms include Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and TD Ameritrade. Open an account. Sign up on your chosen platform by providing personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Complete the Know Your Customer process by submitting identity verification documents. Fund your account. Transfer funds to your account using bank transfers, wire transfers, or other available methods. Ensure sufficient funds are available for the investment. Select the large cap mutual fund. Search for large cap mutual funds by filtering for funds that invest primarily in large cap stocks. Funds like the Vanguard 500 Index Fund or the Fidelity 500 Index Fund are common choices. Choose your investment amount. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can choose to invest lump sum or set up automatic investments for regular contributions. Place the order. Review the details, confirm your investment, and submit the order. Your chosen large cap mutual fund will be added to your portfolio. Monitor your investment. Regularly check the performance of your mutual fund through your brokerage platform's tools.